Hello everyone and welcome back to the Node.js course. Let's open our project using Visual Studio Code. Here we have our saver.js file and let's instantly create the package.json file npm init. Now it will create the package.json file after we enter these details. Now I'm going to just press enter to use default values. Is this okay? Yes. And now we can see our package.json file has been created. Okay, the first package that we are going to use is lodash. In browser you can visit to npmjs.com and search for lodash. Now this is the package. Here is the instructions for installation. Now you can see npm and this I represent install, and this is the package name, package identifier. And now you can see there is a dash dash save keyword. Actually that uses to save that in our local computer, but in latest Node.js versions we really don't want to expressively use this save keyword. Okay, now in the terminal we can type npm I, that means install, and the package name, that is lodash. Here in the instruction we can say it is lodash like this. Now we can press enter. Now we can see some log here, and we can see a new folder has been created called node_modules. Now you can see there's a new file called package-log here. It containing some information of the package that we are using. Now you can see the lodash URL. It also containing the version of the package that we are using. Alright, now we don't want to delete this file because it has been generated automatically when we are adding a new package using npm. Okay, we can really skip this file, but don't delete this. Okay, now let's move into server.js file. Here, to use lodash, first of all we have to create a const, and we can say underscore. Here in the instruction it also using underscore, but we can use whatever as we want by following term of variable names. Okay, now I'm going to say it equals to using require method and importing the lodash. It is lodash. Now here, if you're curious about where is your packages, you can open this node_modules folder, and inside there we can find that folder, and it containing bundle of files. And as a quick note, if you want to see more instruction of lodash, you can visit to their official website like this. Now using lodash we can do different things, and first I'm going to use random method. Using random method we can generate a number. Okay, now I'm going to say const say num, it equals to underscore, that means this variable name, dot random, that is the method name. Here we can pass in start index and the ending index, and within this range it will generate a number, and we can just console.log the number that we have generated. Now in the terminal we can type nodeman instead of not. Do you remember that we have installed the nodeman package earlier? And we can say server. We can also say .js, and by running that we can open the browser and refresh that page. Now we can see it is 0, and let's refresh again. Okay, it is 3 now. We can do that again at the last time. Okay, now it is 0 again. Okay, that's how to generate a number using lodash and using random method of it. Okay, now there's another useful thing that we can use in lodash. That means run a function at a once. That means when it runs at a once, we cannot run that again. To use that, we can create a new variable called const, and we can say variable name as, let's say, greet. Now we can use lodash dot once. That is the method that we are using. Inside here we can pass in a function. Now we can create an anonymous function like this inside there. Now equals and angle bracket braces. Now we can console.log something. Let's say hello here. Now by running greet like this and call it. Now by refreshing that page, here it's printing hello at a once, but if we call that to again and by refreshing that, also we can only see hello once. Okay, there are a huge amount of useful methods that we can use from lodash package. Okay, now if you want to learn about lodash, you can really use this instruction of npm page. And okay, that is it for this lecture, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.